Hi class, welcome back. So today we will talk about pronunciation. Okay, so for the last week I noticed that a lot of you have problems with pronouncing w, f, and v. So it's W, right? W and V, V sound, and F sound. Okay, so the problem is for some reason, I mean, even it's also my mistake as a Kokorvis person, I can also mispronounce some things. I mean, especially these like three letters, especially in the words. That's the problem. So we have actually all of the sounds in Kyrgyz language, but still, for some reason, for all of us, we have problems. So I don't know why. Yeah, so I noticed that some of you were struggling with pronouncing it correctly. So let's do together. Okay, so let's first. Okay, here you go. I will give you handouts with this tongue twister. All right. So then, can you guys read it out loud? Maybe just some of you who can be a volunteer. Okay. Then you can compare for yourself how you sound. Okay. So w, and f. Okay. So three sounds. So okay, let's compare and read it. Okay. So who was the wise guy? What was the wise guy like? Where was the wise guy? When was the wise guy seen? Why was the wise guy there? How was the wise guy? Then the second part of your, yes, Rex, okay, good job, go for it. Famous Vegas, favorite vegetable, ferocious victory, victorious feminine, vague facts, very worst folklore. Okay, so, okay, can you guys compare what is the difference between these three sounds? So here you had all three, right? Here, first one was about W, second was about F and V. Mhm. Yes, exactly. F sounds like our Kyrgyz F, right? Or Russian F. V is like second word of alphabet for us. A, B, V, no, sorry, three. Third alphabet, V, F, and okay? So W. So it's like you kissing someone, W. So your mouth goes like W. So, okay? All right, good. Um, so then, okay, let's read it again. So I will read it this time and explain you more difference. All right. So I already read it. Okay, and so you do it with wise guy, right? Wise guy, not vice president. For example, you can say vice wise. Okay, repeat after me, please. Wise, like wise, very, very like smart guy, right? Wise guy. And then vice president, vice. Okay, good job. All right, then, okay, can you guys read it again now? So now you know the difference, right? How to pronounce it. Then again, please, maybe some different students, all right? So please read it, and others please practice as well. Go with them, but in silent, you can still repeat with them. All right. Yes. Okay. Good job. Okay. Good. Yes. Yes. Some of you still struggling, but it's okay. I mean, for me also, it was very, very difficult. I mean, even now, I will not lie to you, even now it's hard, but I think with practice, it's gonna be all right. Okay, so let's practice now these words, right, together. So first we will say all of us together, and then individually you will say it again. So wet, vet. Okay, so wet, vet. All right, so we know, right? Wet is when something is like some liquid is on something, yeah. And vet is exactly, yeah. I have a cat, for example, over here. I'll show you, right? Uh, Here you go. So we go to vet with this guy for like at least once in 1 month or once in 2 months, yes, because is he gets some infections very easily from other cats. Okay, so then we have wine, vine, right? Like vine. Great. Then wise, vice, vice. All right. Then we have vase. Okay, vase, vase. You have here this on your slides as well on the smart board, but here I will also write you vase. All right, and face, vase, face. Please repeat together and then individually. Yes, very good. Good job. Win, whip, 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 wick, wick, whip. Warm, worn, worn. All right. This one, I mean, that they are like familiar. They're always W though. Warm, worn, warm. Just to practice. Yeah. There's three different meaning for all of this. All right. Very good. Okay. So now, first, you guys will record yourself saying these tongue twisters in pairs. Then listen to each other's recording, and then we will give you, I mean, you guys will give a feedback on each other's recording. All right. Okay, so you can do that as well. Okay, in pairs, right? We work, right? Do we work in pairs or alone? Right, we work in pairs. Okay, so uh, we will record ourselves on our phones. So we need what? Of course, exactly. We need our phones. And we record ourselves first, right? Then the second stage is your partner will listen to your recording, and then your partner will give you feedback. So okay, both of you will give you feedback. On the back of your handouts, you have another tongue twister. Please read it, and you can start recording yourself. I'll give you 5 minutes to accomplish the task. All right, good job on that. All right, your assessment task will be